Hello everybody, it's Gavin at Audio Boffins. So today I'm sat in the new VW T6 vehicle and the customer's having various bits and bobs done, focusing on doors, radio upgrades, amplifiers, subwoofer, etc. But the reason for this video is something that I feel quite passionate about, and that is factory looking OEM upgrades. Now, yes, when you get a aftermarket radio like the Pioneer 230 DABs with fitting, you get your nice little USB. Well, it's a nice long lead, but who wants this crap hanging out your dashboard? I don't. There's a factory USB port here. The problem is a lot of people don't realise that this can connect to this. Well, on the back of this there's a plug, but it's not compatible. So what we would do is use parts like this, which is simply a basic interface. We'll strip this plug down, we'll take out the guts of that, put this in, that goes onto the back, and then this goes into the back of the new radio. This one's a little bit more difficult compared to some of them, Vauxhall Adams, etc. Unplug it, click a new one in, done. But ultimately on our website you can find lots of these different products. They vary in price, but very affordable, typically around £30 as an average price, I'd say. Some more, some less, but well worth considering. So next time you want to upgrade your vehicle and you don't want some crappy bit of USB hanging on the floor or in the glove box, do it properly, do it the Audio Boffins way, do it this way. Cheers.